Hello guys, welcome back to Bistify. In my last video, we have covered the installation part of Grafana, and we now have the page available on browser. And now let's talk about how we can make a utilization of this tool to get some metrics available based on what we have in the CloudWatch. So let's connect. And in order to do so, we may have to do some connections. And if you click this connection, there are two options. You can click add new connection, but and this is nothing but to install the plugins, supporting plugins. So if you have, let's say, you have Prometheus, right? So you can search, and here we have Prometheus Alert Manager data source. We can connect this, we can install it, and this would be available in our data sources, right? So whatever connection plugins you need, you can come here, add new connection, and install the plugins. However, we will not do that because we are going to test it with CloudWatch. So we'll say data source, add data source, and here we have CloudWatch. Let's type it, CloudWatch, select this, and I'll say CloudWatch Grafana demo, and I will not select anything, and I'll save. I'll check the region if anywhere it is available. So I'm checking AB South 1. The reason being we have our EC2 instance where the it would fetch the metrics from. It is in the AP South 1. Okay. All right. Let's move on, and we now save and test. And it says CloudWatch metrics query failed, operation error, list metrics, blah 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 blah. This is not uh, going to fetch anything from CloudWatch at this point of time, and the reason being because we haven't configured roles to it. So I already have created one role just to save time, but I will definitely walk you through what is it about. So let's say Grafana role for CloudWatch. So the service I have chosen is easy to machine, and I have attached one JSON, and that is nothing but to have these accesses. So make sure you when you connect the data source like CloudWatch, you should have these permissions, and this IAM role should be attached to EC2 machine where we have Grafana installed. Okay, so not even Grafana, but wherever you like to have the metrics fetched from CloudWatch to Grafana, that particular EC2 machine should also have this role attached. And it has nothing but CloudWatch accesses and few permissions for logs and few permissions for EC2 machine. All right. So if you want, I can make this in somewhere in the repo. I'll see what I can do the best for you. So I already have the role created. My now next task is to attach it to EC2. So we come here in EC2 machine, action, security, and then modify IAM role. And I'll attach this role to EC2 machine. Now I'll go back to my browser and say save and test. It says successfully queried the CloudWatch Metrics API, successfully queried the CloudWatch Logs API. Now what next you can do, just come here, click explore, or maybe you could have clicked here as well. Click explore. So we have now two tasks. That one is to create the dashboard, and another one is to explore what do we have here. And this is the thing I will cover in my next video. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching.